How to save posts on Facebook. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to save posts on Facebook. It's so easy and quick. So let's start first and go to your Facebook, click on it, and here for example let's choose one of those posts. For example, the first one. All I need to do is click on the first those 3 points up there, and all I need to do is click on the first option, which is save video. To add this to your saved videos, click on it, and now you can create a collection for a kind or type of posts, every type of post, or just click on for later, and this is it, or favorite, and this is it. So it's so easy and quick. So hope this video was helpful to you. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and like.